Feel good? You going to sleep? You gonna take a nap? Yeah, my back is hurting me really bad. I've been inside all day. I'm glad to see you though. You gonna spend the night? You gonna stay inside tonight? Maybe. Terrence will be back. You can see Terrence. Terrence decided that he wanted some pizza, so he went and got some pizza. I have food in there cooked. But he wanted some pizza. So what did you do today? What did you do today, huh? What did you do today, honey? What did you do today? You just climbed some trees and run around through the yard? You ready to take a nap? Alright, you can sleep. You can take a nap. Uh-oh, you're making business, huh? In your sleep? Alright. Alright. Good night. Good night. Good night, night.